Designer, welcome to Design Coach. Today we will learn how to design notification UI. You will learn notification UI design with auto layout. Let's start with our basic design. This is my first complete basic UI design. See, here you can find notification header, notification unread and notification already read. Notification footer, see all notification, mark all as read, and here are the notification setting icon. So first just I drag this from here, and now I am removing our first shadow and it's a border radius. We need top and left. We need remove here 0. Okay, now we need 56 pixels height. Okay, so this is our first component called top, notification top. Here is my second unread message. You just drag here. Okay, I just copy it here. Okay, see, this is just notifications here, and now you see this is completely unread, and I am going to click frame. Okay, see, now you see just here unread. Okay, now we need footer. Just copy this from and use the same. Now radius this time will be changed 0 0 and bottom side 8 8. Okay, you can now just control backspace, you will check. Okay, center. Okay, so this is first our basic component of notification UI. Now I am going to convert this component into auto layout. I just click on it and click auto layout. For this we need to manage all our content. So first we just select and click here and create frame profile. Okay, now this is the content of frame selection. This is the content notification content. Okay, this is the notification content. These are notification actions. Frame selection, we just write on action. Okay, these are counts. Click and frame selection, we use info. Okay, so here are the basic component are ready. Now this notification content and info is the both are group. Click and component. So this is just we create content. Okay, now see, here are the vertical, we just use horizontal. If you see, these are the arranged. Now we just check one by one all our layouts. First our component is with this unread component. Here are the padding, we are just use 24 from left right and top bottom also 24. Okay, so this is 24 from all around sides. And now content actions, we need action to the last, so we just move here. Okay, see, this one go at last, and now we need it top, so this is go into top. Now we come here to our content and move here to info, then notification content, and here are the details and name. So first we need this to be left. Okay, and now if you select this, you find that here to be space, we just do it 16 pixels or maybe right 8 pixels. Okay, now we move with info. In info you found that content. Okay, so first notification content, then info. Okay, now we convert them into auto layouts. Now you find that thumbs and details, date and details. Now we move into frame, date and time. Spelling mistake, okay, this is my spelling mistake, okay, date and time. Now you find that here are the same. Now we are created horizontal. See, the thumbs at last and date and time will be the same. In you will find date time, the space will be here 116. We just do it 8 pixel space. Okay, now we just need top. All content need to top, and our the thumb is first. So this is the first date here, and this will be need our top. Okay, or info we need all the content in center. So these are the left. Okay, this is the left, and now we are in main content. So main content will be convert into auto layout. This will be we arrange it this and this. It should be shift select and top, and this both are select and top. See, we found that, and info and the date and info. Now we have a space between info. We just add 8. Okay, so this will be auto space between object. See, now we are notification in content, notification total space between 8. We found that there will be lot of space between, so we just convert into auto layout. Just we convert into auto layout. Now content will be now in auto layout. Notifications have a 8 pixel space. Just now we convert into auto layout. See, now it's be connected with space, horizontal, okay, vertical, left should be aligned. See, now each content need space. We need just 16 pixel space between this content. Okay, we work on the action. First action need to be converted into auto layout. This will be first we need center. If we go in action, we find the space 40 pixels. We need here just 16 pixel space to be action. So these are aligned with. Now we have this. So if you check total unread message, you will find space here. You just do it 8 pixels. So you will find the space here between 3 blocks. Now we will just check 16 pixel. See, now you will find it surrounding total space will be 24, and 3 object space will be 8 pixel, 16 pixel space between each block. You can check unread, and 16 pixel is the total component space. So this is a complete our unread message component. You can see this our unread. We can use the same thing for our unread message. Now our unread message is ready component. You can use it multiple times. Now we are going to create notification header. You have to just select, and now we are here notification header. Just create auto layouts. Now you will find the total space between, and here are the notification header and 16 pixel top bottom, 24 pixels left right. See, this is our unread and notification. If you find that the different width of different things. Now we just go into this notification header and find the 408 total width, and if you find here it will be the 8 pixels gap. So it's a difference between our top header and between space. So we just come and here to be space 8 pixel we can reduce. So now see, you will find the same space with the same width. So this is basic of complete notification header. Now we create notification footer. We just click and create a frame selection notification footer. Okay, now we just click in auto layout. Now you will find here will be space between two objects. We just drag, oh sorry, mistake, it will be add in unread message, just undo. Okay, notification footer, we just select. Now you will see, you will find that here will be space R396. We just add between space to 400 to our header and unread message. Now you will be just, oh sorry, you will be find here one by one step arrow. Okay, see, this is the basic complete notifications top, unread message and notification footer. See, if you extend now component, if you combine this all and create frame selection, name it here notification UI design. Okay, this is the complete our notification frame. Now one by one we create a component that will be used up multiple time easily. So first we go with unread message, and we can duplicate here also. We drag ourselves into here, and notification footer will be down some here. Okay, see, okay, now we just see our frame is getting small. We just drag and click it. Okay, now we just create one auto layout to whole designs. Auto layout, see, now it will be now in auto layout. So if you are increasing your data, it will be automatically expandable. See, now I am just use command D. See, this will be automatically expandable. So this is simple auto layout of notification design. Now we are going to convert into component, so we can use it multiple times. So I am going to use this unread notification. First I am just delete this, and this is unread notification. I just duplicate it. Okay, and this is our first notification. I will go and read notification and create component. Okay, now I am going to extend content. If you going to extend content, this will be automatically helpful to increase your notification height. Figma UI design. So this will be automatically increase with auto layout. Now I am going to use read. This will I convert into read. Okay, now I am just color it white, and I just drag into component. See, here we will see it will be already read message. So I am just find that here will be line between to each component. So just I draw a line between notification, and I just draw one line between notification UI design. I just drag. Okay, now I am going to, this will be in unread message. I will drop into header and footer. Okay, see, now we are going to 400, and my line color will be basically light from the design. Okay, this is line divider. Okay, we can use the same for all. Use it here, divider, and you will find here. Okay, see, you will find a little design here. If you go to create notification divider component, then it will be used multiple time, but I just use for now, just duplicate it. use it here. See, now it will be here, and this will be same used to be for header. Now we separate from the header. If you want to change the divider, this will be color will be divider change. Okay, see, this is the, now you can change the content here also. Name of application author, it will be also auto layouts, and you can use different photos of your profile. Just click and go here and profile, and यहाँ पे just you need to just paste delete this. It will be automatically set with your layout. You can just duplicate it, it will be automatically increase. Now I am going to notifications designs. So you will start from first. Here will be mark for unread message, and this will be mark for already read message. I am just go here and put down the light color, so it will show like it will be a already read message, and if you want to click, and then it will be removed. So I am going to design this, how to indicate this 8 into 8. Oof, sorry, 8. Okay, now I'm just click color. This color we can use for our design. Paste it here. Okay, now just design a tooltip for message. 32 pixels, 4 pixels radius. Color will be dark. We are using the dark color for our notification design. Now I am just select polygon, select and using union. See, now if you are using union, then you have two objects. Just click with this. Okay, now you will be find that here easily you will find it will be look like notification. Again I am going to use dark color. If you want to like radius here, just go with this and use radius 2. Okay, see, this is like tooltip. Now I am going to typing here to mark as read. This I am going to use, and if you are stretching it here, it will be stretch. So just go into unread object and select. Then after you have to just select union and center. You have to just go and shift select with two object and center. Now you will be find here this call be mark as a read, and we are going to use white color. So understand, people can easily use this notification. See, this is this will be a use of mark as a read. And now cross sign will be used for, I am going to use feather icon, and I am going to use times icons. Click and cross sign, we have find it here. It will be the same icon. I will just font size 16 and using a gray color. It will be the same tooltip. And if you want to remove a message, just pull down and just note down move. Now I am going to select 2 and center. This will show a remove message. See, this is a repeatable use of notification UI. You can use your each component multiple time. Just you need to create its component. So here we are just creating unread notification component. Now we are going to use for notification. This will be notification footer, this will be read, and notification header. We are go and create a component, this is called notification header, and now I'm going to edit create component notification footer. To complete notifications designs, we just create the one read message, already read message as a component. Create component. See, total we have 4 parts of components. Now these are the complete component of our notification UI design. You just click and create full component of notification UI design. See, it will be create a notification all components with the separate UI layouts designs. See, here will be use, this will be going wrong, I think undo, reverse. Okay, see, now you will find your all components with each design component. You will drag here notification up and down. You will just use arrow to up and down notification design, and now you will be duplicate, just D, use command D to duplicate, so it you can easily design your auto layout component with UI design. So friends, hope you like my video and enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my channel, so I will share my UI design concept with you. Thank you.